Irene's paws, Cole. Yeah. Can you dance for Irene? Can you turn the music back on and dance? You can do a little dance? That was a good dance. Can you dance some more?
Okay.
Are you going to color with your crayons instead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget the paper. Can you grab the paper to draw on? Yeah. Do you want paper to draw on? Oh, you're drawing on the book. That's good. Are you adding more artwork to it? Let's draw on some paper instead. Yeah, let's not draw on the book. We'll put the book up here so we know not to draw on it. There we go. What are you drawing? What color is this? You want me to draw? Can you get the blue crayon? Oh, yellow crayon. Can you draw something with a yellow crayon? I'll take that one. Okay. What color is that? Uh-huh. And what color is that? What color is this? Okay, blue. Are there more colors in there? What color is this? Brown? Can you say brown? Yeah, brown. What color is this? What color is this one? Black. Can you say black? Okay. Black. Yeah, black. Alright, is there another one in there? Are there two more crayons in there, Cole? You got them both. What colors are they? What color is this? What color is this, Cole? Yeah. What color is this one?
Yeah.
Is that yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But it's really red. It's not yellow. That's red. And that's yellow. Which one's red? Yeah, you keep drawing. Can you draw a circle? Go like this. Circle. Can Cole draw a circle? Good job. Can you draw a line? Daddy's going to draw a line. Can you draw a line? Can you put the crayons back in the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to keep drawing though?